What if the future of intelligence is just by the silent power pulsing inside a tiny chip? In the heart of a digital revolution where machines learn faster than ever, where data becomes decision and imagination becomes automation, one name stands above all: NVIDIA. From powering video games to dominating the trillion-dollar AI race, NVIDIA isn't just a chip maker anymore. It's the engine of modern intelligence. We can say it a game changer in artificial intelligence world. And now, they are doing it again with the next generation of AI chips that promise to push the boundaries of what machines can learn, build, and become. But how did NVIDIA become the core of AI progress? What's coming next in their chip lineup? And why does it matter more than ever before? Let's break it down. Founded in 1993, NVIDIA started with a simple vision to bring 3D graphics to life. Their GPUs or graphics processing units changed gaming forever, but parallel processing and handling many tasks at once made those chips more perfect for graphics and also for something much bigger. In 2012, when deep learning started to explode, researchers realized that NVIDIA's GPUs were ideal for training neural networks. From that moment, NVIDIA shifted gears. They saw AI not as an application for their chips, but as the future their chips were made for. Fast forward to 2025, NVIDIA is no longer just riding the AI waves, they are driving it. Their H100 chips, built on the Hopper architecture, are already being called the crown jewels of the AI era. These chips are behind nearly every major large language model you have heard of, like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud Beyond, etc. Data centers across the world are stacked with NVIDIA-powered servers that crunch data, train AI, and enable the world's biggest tech breakthroughs. The H100 isn't just powerful, it's totally revolutionary. It delivers performance that over 3 times faster for training and inference tasks than the previous A100 chips. And in a world where time is money and training an AI model can cost tens of $millions, speed means everything. But NVIDIA isn't stopping there. In 2025, NVIDIA is launching its next-gen chip architecture. The name of this chip is Blackwell, named after mathematician David Blackwell. The upcoming B100 and B200 chips are expected to leap even further ahead. They will offer unprecedented compute density, better energy efficiency, and enhanced support for sparsity. Ultimately, it offers a technique that accelerates AI performance by ignoring irrelevant data. These chips are designed not just for training massive models, but also for real-time inference at the edge. Think autonomous vehicles, AI-powered medical devices, and robots that learn on the go. And it's not just about raw power anymore. NVIDIA is building a full-stack ecosystem for hardware to software that makes developing, deploying, and scaling AI faster and easier. Their CUDA software platform, already an industry standard, allows developers to harness the full power of GPUs. On top of that, tools like NVIDIA TensorRT, Triton Inference Server, and NeMo framework are empowering researchers and companies to build custom AI models with remarkable speed and efficiency. But the real genius lies on their business model. Unlike traditional chip makers who just sell hardware, NVIDIA is turning chips into cloud services. With the NVIDIA DGX Cloud, clients can rent AI supercomputing infrastructure on demand. No need to buy expensive hardware. Just plug into the cloud and start training. This has opened up AI capabilities to startups, research labs, and enterprises that otherwise couldn't afford that kind of power. And it's working. In 2024, NVIDIA crossed $60 billion in revenue, most of it coming from data center AI sales. Their stock soared, making them one of the most valuable companies in the world. And their influence now goes far beyond the GPU market. Today, if you want to build an AI system, whether it's a chatbot, a robot, or a self-driving car, you are probably using NVIDIA at some point. Tech giants like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Meta all rely on NVIDIA chips in their AI data centers. Tesla uses them in its Dojo system. OpenAI trains GPT models on NVIDIA infrastructure. Even healthcare companies are now using NVIDIA chips for drug discovery and medical imaging. But what does this dominance mean for the future? For one, it raises question about control. With NVIDIA holding such a large share of AI chip market, concerns are growing about hardware bottlenecks, supply chain dependence, and the centralizations of AI infrastructure. Nations and companies are now racing to develop alternatives, not just to compete, but to protect their sovereignty. That's why we are seeing competitors rise. AMD is pushing its MI300 chips. Intel is betting big on Gaudi and AI accelerators, and startups like Cerebras and Graphcore are trying to disrupt the market. But for now, none have matched the software-hardware integration and developer ecosystem that NVIDIA offers. Meanwhile, NVIDIA is thinking even bigger. Their plans include Grasshopper superchips designed for combining CPU and GPU on a single platform, boosting performance for AI, high-performance computing, and data analytics. They are also investing in quantum computing, robotics, digital twins with Omniverse, and generative AI platforms that go beyond text into video, audio, and 3D creation. In short, NVIDIA isn't just building chips, they are building the future of computing itself. As AI becomes more embedded in daily life, from education to finance, transportation to entertainment, the demand for efficient, powerful compute will only grow. And unless there is a major disruption, NVIDIA will likely remain the backbone of that growth. So, what's next? We may be heading into a world where AI systems are smaller, faster, and more embedded than ever, running not just in the cloud but at the edge, inside homes, wearables, and everyday machines. And NVIDIA chips, whether B100s, Grasshopper combos, or future architectures we haven't yet seen, will be driving that evolution. The age of artificial intelligence isn't just coming, it's already here. And if you want to understand where it's going, just follow the chips. More often than not, they will lead you to NVIDIA. Subscribe for more updates and let us know in the comment section what do you think about NVIDIA chip.